Here I have SONY Xperia XZ3 and let me show you how to insert here Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's hold down power key, let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the bottom edge of the device. Let's simply remove the slot by using your nail finger, and now you can remove the whole thing. So as you can see here, you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So let me do it. Let's start with micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright, now let's insert Nano SIM card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that way. Alright, now let's put the whole thing into your device. So let me do it that way. Let's press it to the end. As you can see, my device switched on accidentally, but it doesn't matter. Right now the device is restarting itself. So let's just wait until you will be able to use your device. Alright, now let's unlock the screen. Let me make sure that all cards are working properly. Tap apps icon, find and select the settings. So here you can tap network and tap here the advanced and choose dual SIM. As you can see, the device is reading one SIM card, and as you can see, instead of using the micro SD, you can also insert there the second Nano SIM card. But in my case, let me also check out if my SD card is working properly. Tap storage, and as you can see, the portable storage is right here, so everything is alright. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.